Wagwan, what's up? I'm not in the mood. Somebody tell me why today a fun day and the place I wash away. Why today a fun day? Hold on, put the lights in. Guys, why today a fun day and the place I wash away? Why today is fun day and Jamaica I wash away. So right now you come like a Jamaica I wash away. St. Anna I wash away. I check the weather for St. Mary and it don't look too nice. So when I work my ass off, no, I don't understand. I don't understand. So disappointed. Like, rain, from a wake, from before I got my bed, I be a water. Anyways, I'm leaving out right now. Right now. I'm late already. But yeah. I reached kind of, refix the ear. Leaving my ear. So yeah, that's what's up. Hi guys, regardless of the weather, I'm still showing up, going to work. So that's the updates right now. I'm not feeling too well. I'm not in the best mood. I'm more feeling blue, feeling like the weather, wet, droopy. Not so happy, but I am good. And regardless of everything, I will be good. So yeah, just got it through this stoplight that is so long, but I'm just asking God to let it be no rain for the rest of the day. And if the rain falls, well, so be it. I'm my school, and if the rain won't fall, there's nothing I can do about it. But because I put my time and my effort in it, I really appreciate like no rain. All stoplights are on green after I cut through the red one, so that's good. But yeah, I'm seeing like a blue sky peeping through the dark clouds, so I'm just keep my fingers crossed, because I would really appreciate no rain. Like, and if the rain go fall, like way down in the evening, like let the children come out for the fun day, and then anything after then, that's fine. We appreciate, at least we want some of the support just to make back some money that was spent and all of that. So yeah, I'm honestly not feeling good, but I'm still giving you a vlog. I'm sure on the weather. Oh, the morning is looking. The rain not falling hard. Just little sprinkles, but I'm asking Father God just to hold up in your hands and hold up the sprinkles. I can see little something coming through the clouds, like a sun round there peek through. So yeah, guys, I'm so happy to see the sun this morning. I am so happy to see the sun this morning. When I think me ever happy if it takes sunburn yet. Like, no, I mean a lot of days I'm happy to see the sun, but today's one of those days I'm so happy to see the sun. I am now in St. Mary and I'm happy to see the sun shining in St. Mary. Oh my God, we can't even see the glow on my face. I'm so happy to see the sun. Thank you, God. Even though I see over this little dark, hey, Father God, me I beg you to hold up your hand, carry the sun here. Go over, come and reach my destination yet. Good little jump still. But I'm so happy to see the sun, but me see dark clouds over there. So, oh, it looks so. I'm showing you something. What am I cloud that dark sun over there so bright, so? And me I go so. So, and me I left the sun out here, so sun, I beg you to come with me, please. Please. because I enter in a dark area. Look over there, so dark. Oh God. No, I'm not like how I look. I was so happy just now, but ahead of me look a bit bleaky. Bleaky. Are you living in St. Mary and did not know that your parish has development going on? Yes, and I have new plaza, make Fresco Plaza. Is that a plaza? Yeah, with the gas station. Looks good. Enhance the community. No, the parish itself. I'm not getting past taxi boy. Come on, away. Take a like it today. Let me show you. New development. I'm searching up there. I drill up things. Yes, Fresco. New development in St. Mary. He man go stop and he put an indicator when he stop the car. Yeah, new development for no parish. Give the country a little hoof. A hoof, like call it. And they have Christmas decorations. Oh, my only concern is if ever use cloth. I know the cloth every year they have to spend nice decor. And every year they have to spend more and more money on cloth. So, I don't know what I'm going to find plastic because I want it with Jamaica. Then waste money on cloth. Enough. But it's going to make it not take time and travel with me still. River look high. Like it's not take its time to travel with me. However, guys, I'll catch up back with you guys later on in the vlog. Yeah. Tired, exhausted. It's like the taxi boy are going. It's not going to rush me and I'm not going to tell him about him parts this morning, so yeah. Maybe because if you don't walk out in the road, oh you have see the car come and you have to step out in the road like yeah idiot. That's so rough the water is. Water very rough. Would I recommend anybody to go and see now? Go a beach now? Because there's no beach. When I did not say the beach at the sun, right? When I did know? And there's no sun here. The water come up by the sun. So there's only water. Yeah. Guys, look at the weather to the fun day. The bounce about all the tent pop down. Would you believe it? The tent pop down. At the earliest fun day I ever see this over. This is what they look like. The sun, the rain never did go fall, and the sun did go come out and show up itself. Hello, guys. We stop out here for a little chill vibe. Yep, gonna have some drinks and so forth. I like it. How you? I like it in here. We got movie. Come up with that something. That's why I'm up. This man, remember this man tiny pants, remember? Eh? Too many more buddies. To this one and only buddy. We're gonna have him tonight and enjoy the buddy. Yeah.
Wrong man.
Yeah.
Look at the
Christmas tree.
But you're not going that way. You're going.
Guys, good morning. I know there was no vlog yesterday. That's because of if you don't follow up on the listen, I was in China. I was basically the last person to leave the school or one off, and then I was not in the best mood. Like throughout the day, all my day started. You know, I was not in the best mood, and I just decided to stop with my friends from Port Maria and have a drink, have a vibe, enjoyed the evening. It was such a vibe. I had fun. We had Miami. Is it Miami Vice or Miami Vibe? I don't know. That was good with liquor. Then we got some nice, well-soaked jellos. That was sweet and nice. And then we took the body shot. The body shot. I wanted more body shot. Well, oh, this looks so. They came right in. I wanted more body shot, but them said because me a drive, they not gonna make me drink no more. They not gonna make me drunk. By sitting and talking, they were like liquor wear out. I got home last night about after 9. And I had to just go take a shower and get myself ready for bed, come in a bed, and that was it for the night. So this is me now. So what's gonna happen? You guys are gonna get this vlog. I'm gonna take off the ears, see there? So it wasn't my intention to give you guys one vlog for 2 days, but I had to. I had to take that break yesterday. I had to just relax. I needed the vibe to just, to be leveled. I just wanted to have a nice evening out, and I did. It was so fun. Carry the record button that. Or did the record button. The copyright music. Man, I'm tired. So, right now, today, I have a few stuff to do. Because Monday is Christmas give back for my students. We have that to start out. I have package at Kingston for collect. I'm not sure if I go Kingston at all this nanny shop. Lucky. I have the house clean and a weekend now. So I don't know what is what, but I'm gonna get up here. The mirror looks in the day. Mirrors are so nice. I'm gonna attack the dresser. So just have a look and see me like on the seat the last time that we argued about how it should look. Yeah. And there's the lighting that comes in the room is too much. With this curtain, too much. Adine is not going to like this because it's just after 8 and in a bright, and we are not used to this. We're not used to this. Like I used to have blackout curtains. So after 8, yeah, you're supposed to dark. Oh, but see the mirror them now? They're so nice. I don't know if you guys are seeing the nice look of it, but from my perspective, from my angle, my view, my eyes, it's really, really giving. Pretty. I love it. So, yeah. The mirror, the curtain them too black, man. It be one curtain we're gonna dark up in here. Like we need to have like nighttime or in a daytime in my room. I'm tired. I can't know my time. I don't know what the agenda for today. But I'm gonna give you guys this vlog early, and it's going to replace for Vlogmas Day 15 and Vlogmas Day 16. So I'll see you guys in another vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and bye.